What's up, guys? It's Ringoshi here, operator for the Ringoshi validator for Unification. Today's video is actually going to be very quick and easy. I'm going to explain how to bridge fund from Ethereum to MAINNET, show you exactly how it is step by step, and these are the websites that I use. This is Gravity Bridge and keplr.app. This is to store your fund on MAINNET. A lot of people might think that this is a very hard thing to do, but I'm here to show you that it is actually very simple and that sometimes you just have to get out of your comfort zone, and YouTube videos do help as well. Now, the first step that you're going to want to do is obviously you have fund on Ethereum. Notice how I don't have to open any of my wallets or anything. Everything is going to be done on this Gravity Bridge application. I'll never have to open my MetaMask, maybe to confirm a transaction, but we'll see when we get there. First things first, here we are, we're staring at a screen where we're transferring tokens from and to. Our goal is to get the fund from Ethereum over to Gravity Bridge. How to do that is we have Ethereum on the top, and we're going to connect the wallet, and then we have Gravity Bridge on the bottom. Now I connected on the top here with MetaMask. I'm not sure if you can use other applications or wallet applications, but I use MetaMask. Now Gravity Bridge can connect via keplr. If you do not have keplr, I suggest going to this app and installing keplr. Set up your seed phrase and everything, put it in a safe spot, and then come back. Now that you have keplr set up, we're going to connect keplr. And now all we do is go to the drop-down menu and we search fund or unification. Boom. Here's all the fund. And now we want to transfer however much that you want to transfer to MAINNET. So if you have 2,000 fund on Ethereum and you're looking to stake that on MAINNET and you want to transfer, let's say 10, you can transfer 10. You can transfer 1. So we'll just do 10. We're going to give permission to transfer fund, which we have to confirm the transaction here. And we can set a spending cap. I'm going to put maximum. And it's going to cost me $3. I'll do low. It costs me $3 to approve the transaction. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to wait for this approval to process. Once your approval has gone through, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to see how we had Ethereum on the top and Gravity Bridge on the bottom. You're going to want to flip them. It will automatically disconnect your connections. So now we want to switch the bottom one because we're not going to send it back to Ethereum. Scroll through here and find Unification. Connect both wallets using keplr. They should both be keplr. And now that you had sent that to Gravity Bridge, it should be listed under here. Once you have your fund show up, don't mind me because I play around with Gravity Bridge a lot and somehow I was able to get 2 different types of fund. You would usually have 1 fund here. And so I would click this one and then I would do 10 and begin the transfer. You would approve, and the transaction is now in progress. And there you go, your transaction has been completed. Let's go check our keplr wallet. And now that the fund has been transferred, you should have the fund on your keplr wallet. I've done this many times, so you should have it. Oh, there we go. See, I had 370, now I have 380. So there we go, it worked. Something I forgot to add at the beginning is on a fresh keplr wallet, unification is not loaded and you won't have a unification address. The easiest way to get a unification address is to go to ringoshi.com. Once you go to ringoshi.com, it actually forwards to Chainmasters, where you can connect your wallet and it will auto add the chain onto your keplr. I have already done that, therefore I can't show you how that's done, but it would be as simple as clicking, say, the delegate button, because you can't click delegate unless your wallet is connected. See how my delegator wallet is UND147? which coincides with my UND147 address on Keplr. Now, if you're wanting to stake with Ringoshi, you would simply hit delegate and you would type in the amount of fund that you'd want to delegate, which I've chosen 10. Put in the lowest fee to charge you the lowest amount of fund. You approve the transaction, and within seconds, that transaction is going to be completed. And there you have it, guys. You have just went from Ethereum to MAINNET and delegated to a validator to earn 6% APR per year. Now, none of this is in financial advice. This is just a tutorial. You are able to do this if you want to or not. I am not forcing you. And if you guys like the video, drop a like and comment, and maybe I'll make another video in the future. Thanks, guys. Bye.